Who's the YouTuber? I know we come as Ruben Tim, and today, as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be talking about barrels or two strands. Yep. Without further ado, I just need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the debate. My favorite, my personal favorite, barrel twist. Barrel twist, y'all. I wouldn't even say they're convenient for the hairstyle, you know. They come with a lot of difficulties. Not being able to sleep for a couple days. Tightness. Not being able to sleep in tightness is the main two that you worry about before getting barrel twist. Feel me? Not everybody head looks right with barrel twist. So only certain amount of people can pull off barrel twist. Feel me? Including your boy. Now you can style the barrel twist any type of way you possibly can. You know, you can go 4 braids, you can go 3, you can go 6, you can go 7. You feel me? Type shit. The only bad part about it is your twist out. Now your twist out won't be as fly as what we're going to next. Two-strand twists. Now, two-strand twists, chat, are very beneficial. They don't hurt as bad as barrel twists. They're very convenient. You can style them however you want to. You can put them in, you can put your two strands in any kind of ponytail you want, bro. Now let's say you have a cut for both of them. I feel like, depending on who you are, your two-strand cut might look better than your barrel cut. You feel me? Now, me personally, I feel like I can pull off both. I mean, hey, it's me we talking about, man. I feel like I can pull off both, but the best one I got is maybe my barrel twist. Cut with my barrel twist, crazy. And A1 steak sauce, no cap. But with two strands, y'all. Let's say you got a cut, you can pull off any ponytail you possibly want. Feel me? One thing about two strands are they can be annoying. You know, they can be in your way or you're eating. Sleeping on them can be very annoying. Ooh, I got another one for barrel twist, y'all. So with barrel twist, they tend to itch very bad after a couple days. Let's say you start sweating. GG's in the chat. You're going to be aggressively patting your head until it turns red. That's one downfall of barrel twist. Well, that's like downfall 3 type shit. As y'all can tell, two strands are very beneficial, as y'all can tell. But having dreads, you're going to encounter different difficulties. You feel me? Like, regardless if you have two strands or barrels, you're going to run into something. So you gotta pick your poison. So which I made this video for, barrel twist or two strands. Let me know in the comments. If you are a fellow dreadhead, let me know what your thoughts are. Or if you don't prefer any, do y'all prefer a regular retwist? I don't know if I want to put that in here as well, but me personally, I don't do regular retwists. If I'm getting a retwist, it's either barrels or two strands. See, now, y'all can really spice it up too, though. Y'all can come barrel twist with a design, or y'all can come 3-strand, 4, 5-strand. You feel me? Y'all can come to pop smoke braids. Those are kind of the same as barrel twist, so we can throw that in the category as well. But Yeah, though. With my debate, it might be a lot of downsides. It might be a lot of. You might encounter a lot with your barrel twist, but me personally, that's my style. So I'm gonna stick with barrel twist till the wheels fall off. Y'all let me know in the comments which one y'all prefer. And yeah, man, with that being said, if y'all like videos like this, just let me know. And I'll continue to provide for y'all. But yeah, man. I need you to like, comment, subscribe. And it's the Ribbon, and I'm out.
Good. Crunchy and not half bad. 10 out of 10.